horn. If we're both outside, who's gonna beat the horn?
Well, you, because we're not all gonna be out there. I can beat the horn.
You should beat the horn? Yeah?
Beep, 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 beep. When is her going to come out?
I don't know.
Maybe this would take 100 million years.
Oh, yeah? Here she comes. Should I be better?
Be better. Did her drop your phone?
No.
You were the adult and she did not do it.
She told me.
It don't matter. She's 4.
She told me to beep at you when you were leaving. And I said no, because you might drop my phone. So I said, if she doesn't have my phone in her hand, I'll beep at her. But she told me to, if you do have my phone, get you in, give me my phone, and tell you to go back out there. Just to go out there.
Evelyn, you're going to get your father in trouble. What do you think? Yeah. Oh, pretty little birdies. They look so peaceful. Are you ready for bed?
No.
Oh, crud.
When you get home with me, will you play some Minecraft with me?
Sounds like it has electric. Or it's a V8. Nope. Because I don't want to.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay, Dad.
Did you get a scratcher?
Mm-hmm.
Did you buy some?
Mm-hmm. I would have told you all about it, but I was too ticked off that you honked at me and scared me. I'm just kind of done with you both for the moment. You came back out in a slightly better mood, and then you just zapped it all away. Quit trying to blame it on the 4-year-old.
Sometimes it's
Evelyn, quit. Brian, don't talk to me.
good to be scared.
Brian, leave me the fuck alone!